Welcome to another video. This video I have some very exciting news as regards the channel and the future of this channel. I'm so excited, let's get into it. Let's start with the name, Rebirth. The title of this event. Why did I call it Rebirth? I call it Rebirth because this fundamentally changes everything. In the last year, growth on this channel has been phenomenal. We surpassed 253 subscribers just there last month, and for that I am incredibly grateful. But I have noticed something. As my channel currently stands, it is very much cluttered. Cluttered in the sense that we have vlogs, we have tech, we have our creator advice, we have our analytics videos, we have all of our content squashed into one. Well, today I'm announcing that I will be dissolving the Conor O'Regan YouTube channel into 4 different YouTube channels. Let's start with tech, because that's the thing that most of you came to my channel for. Tech content will remain the same. All of the current subscribers, all of the current views, not the comments. For whatever reason YouTube doesn't do that. But you will be involved in the transition to a new channel I call Tekwiz Tech. Why name Tekwiz Tech? Well, Tekwiz is the new brand's name. And why Tekwiz, you might ask? Well, that is the name of my previous YouTube network that I had placed. Well, YouTube channel. Because when I was in first year, and I've told the story many a times, I created a channel called the Tekwiz. Made a few videos here and there, got a good few subscribers. Some stuff happened, I had to delete the channel, but I didn't want to let that brand name go. I wanted to take part of what made me who I am today with me into this new era of producing content. And I'm happy to say I will not just be producing tech videos anymore. There will be a channel called Tekwiz Productions. You will be able to see vlogs on this channel, YouTube creator advice on this channel, camera videos, and many more things. This will be sort of like a do-it-all channel, vlog channel, if you get what I'm saying. Also, we have the potential for doing YouTube skits, doing short films, stuff I'd wanted to do for the longest time, but I didn't stop there. There are several markets I haven't tapped into yet, and I'm happy to announce I will be producing gaming videos. This could be gameplay, the latest games, leaks, rumours and news, and of course potentially interviewing people in the gaming community. But I do have one more thing. Tekwiz Music. Tekwiz Music is a channel that I have been working on for a while, and it's not a regular music channel. In a sense, we'll be covering all the latest music news, leaks, rumours, and of course, covers of songs, self-produced songs, and many more things. You'll be able to subscribe to these channels starting from today, and you will of course have a back catalogue of content to look forward to when you subscribe to these channels, because for the last week I've been producing content for those channels. The Conor O'Regan channel will be dissolved into the TechWizTech channel starting from today. About 4 hours after this live stream, this channel will no longer exist under this name, and it'll be moved over to the TechWiz channel. What does this mean for you who have subscribed and have joined me along the way so far? It means nothing for you. If you've subscribed already, you will remain subscribed. However, it'll be under the new alias of TechWizTech. And of course, you can subscribe to the other channels in my YouTube network, should you choose to want to. If you want tech, just tech, now you have a hub just for tech, instead of getting vlogs here and there. If you want vlogs as well as tech, you can get them. And I can't guarantee that every channel will be active at the start. It will be difficult at the start to get used to this, and of course I am building from scratch on these channels. Tech is my main priority at the moment because it has the most subscribers and the most views. It's the thing that keeps this going. However, I will be putting a lot of practice and a lot of experience into this, something I wanted to do for a long time, and I'm super excited for what the future holds for this network. You can follow us on all the social media at TechWizTech, at TechWizVlogs, at TechWizGaming, and at TechWizMusic. Twitter's a bit weird though. It's TechWizVlogs, and on Instagram it's TechWizProductions. Of course, all that will be in the description of this video. I want to thank you for subscribing, sticking around with me up until now. It's been one hell of a ride in the last year, but I feel now is the right time to announce this. So, I'm very excited for you to see this. But I also have one more thing. There will be pretty much daily content going up on this network, which I'm super excited about. So thanks for watching. Looking forward to the future. I'll see you next one.